Hey everybody, this is Nicole, otherwise known as fibromyalgia, yarn and resin. You can find me on Instagram and on YouTube, but mainly on Instagram. I also have another account. It's under MDLD_13. I am trying to branch out a little bit. So right now I am going to be unboxing this mystery bag that I got the other day, and it came from Niche Craft, and her Etsy shop is Niche Craft with Cassie. I recently found her and I really love her channel. So if you want to catch several of her YouTube videos, definitely check her out. It's Niche, and that's Niche Craft, and Etsy is Niche Craft with Cassie, and that's Cassie with a Kassi. I believe right now she's having a problem with her Etsy store, but I did manage to grab I believe it was her smaller mystery boxes, and I love mystery boxes. So I am going to be unboxing it so you can see what is included. I'm hoping that she's able to get her Etsy shop back up, because I really want to buy her larger one, so I can see what is in it. She did send a nice little thank you handwritten note, which is always nice. I also run a little small business where I do self-care boxes, and I also do handwritten notes, which is always a nice touch, because to me anyway, that shows that you really care about your customer. So in the note, she says that she's concerned that I may have a difficult time taking care of it. But when in doubt, as far as the yarn, because this is a yarn unboxing. Like I said, I'm branching out. I've been crocheting since was like from like maybe 10 or 11 years old. My grandma taught me, and I'm 43 now. I'll be 44 in September. It's something that I really love to do. It's art therapy. I also do resin crafting. That's something that I found in 2017 after I was diagnosed with several mental illnesses, and I also have fibromyalgia along with other chronic illnesses that deal with a lot of chronic pain. But resin and crochet help me relieve my panic attacks and my anxiety through art therapy. So I will do the review via the video. I will be posting it on Instagram. And then this is like my second go at a video, so trying not to be too harsh on this. I'm still kind of trying to figure this whole thing out. So here we go. So the nice thing is she did say that with her mystery boxes, she will let you choose if you want to, like a specific palette or a surprise me. So I went ahead with just surprise me. Good. I'm totally down for just surprise me. And the other nice thing is that in every single mystery box, she includes a Noro brand hank of yarn, and Noro is a Japanese brand of yarn. It is a not very cheap yarn, so I have some ideas And yeah, I have a very large collection of yarn. My next video is actually going to be going through my yarn stash, so you can see what I have now. And I have more stuff coming, so that I will hopefully have some more content that I can film for you guys, and then post up for you guys to check out on my other Instagram channel. And then hopefully that'll also encourage you to take up art therapy, take care of your mental health, things like that, because all this stuff that I'm doing is all kind of tied together. So anyway, enough talk. So let's get into the bag. So she sent me 4 balls of this brand's called, it looks like it's called Gazelle Rock and Roll. So it's this brand. It's 50 grams, 115 meters, 120 or 125 yards. This particular color, which is gorgeous, is this gold color, made in Turkey. Let's see, it doesn't look like I can figure out what the color is. Let me see. It looks like it says that maybe it's 4202. So it is really soft, and it is just, I mean, it is gorgeous. It's a 3-weight 3 or 4 millimeter crochet hook, or 4.5 millimeter knitting hook. I'm a crocheter, so probably I could see me using this for, I'm not sure, maybe I don't know, maybe if I use it together with some of the other ones that she sent me, I could do maybe a stocking cap. So that's what it looks like. Sorry for the fingers. I have OCD, so I tend to like chew on the fingers, and the blue is for my hair. So the hair, that's me, that defines me. So anyway, so this is the color, gorgeous color. Same brand. And this one is a gorgeous metallic green color. And then this one she sent me is more of a black gold color. And then this one is, looks like this is maybe the same. Let me see. Yeah, they're the same. So maybe if I use this, maybe I'd be able to make something out of it. But either way, they are definitely gorgeous yarns. So next, so she sent me 3 of these hanks. They are Cascade Yarns Highland Duo alpaca with, so 70% baby alpaca and 30% merino wool. This one is 100 grams, 197 yards, and it's a US 8, made in Peru. Let's see if I can find a color. This was like, looks like a kind of like a mustardy color. It's definitely gorgeous. Again, really soft, smells really good. Love it. This is something, these are brands that I've never heard of before, so which is why I like mystery boxes, because it introduces me to brands that I've never heard of or used before. So, and then she sent me this green, and then this pumpkin color. I think if I use these three together, I think I probably could come up with something really fun. Okay, so now the one that I've been looking forward to is this Noro brand, which it's a Japanese brand, and the color is Nishiki. It's a cotton polyamide blend. Looks like $6 US for crochet, and then the same thing for knitting. So it's a gorgeous rainbow color. I don't know if it's so pretty. I don't know if I want to use it. If I could find another one like this, maybe a couple more, I probably use it and make it into like maybe a shawl or something. So it is definitely a gorgeous yarn. So definitely impressed. Thank you, Cassie. I really liked what she picked out. So I'm hoping, I know that you said you were having some problems with your Etsy store, so I'm hoping that you are able to figure out what is going on so that I can purchase the other mystery box, so I can see what else you've got in store. I have enjoyed watching your videos. I've kind of binge watched through a lot of your videos. So in any case, I will go ahead and probably put this in my stash, and yeah. So if you find me on YouTube, like I said, it's fibromyalgia underscore yarn underscore resin. Hit that subscribe button, as my son would say, and that bell, notification bell, for anytime I post a new video. Subscribe, and definitely hit that like button so that I can grow and continue to bring you content and show up on your recommended videos. And again, you can definitely get in contact with me more on Instagram, either on my art page or my mental health page, which is the MDLD underscore 13. DM me, give me a follow, like my posts, all that stuff, so that I also can grow there, so that I can bring you more content, because this is something that I'm really passionate about. So until the next time, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye-bye.